Hey guys, this week's video is going to be a little ride on my 2011 Sherco 290 ST Trials bike. Picked this up about a month ago, probably early August I think I got it. Been getting used to it, taking it back in the woods, mainly doing just woods riding with it and messing around on logs and stuff. You know, I haven't done any competitions, but still getting acclimated with the bike. This one here, apparently used by a guy that used to do hard enduros. It was his training bike. So it was used. You could tell it was used and abused a little bit, but taken care of at the same time. So I got it at a good price. I figured it's my first trials bike. It'd be a good entry into it. Make sure it's something I want to do instead of spending a boatload of money on a bike and then not liking it. So, but so far I'm absolutely hooked on it. I've been riding a lot with my brother. He's got a Montessa 260, and we've been riding almost every day, any chance we get. So a couple blemishes with it right off the bat. A couple little stress fractures on the frame, nothing crazy. This is just a little tab that holds on the muffler, this whole assembly here. I've been keeping an eye on it. It hasn't gotten any worse, and I've actually been hammering on it pretty good in some spots. And I already talked to my friend who's the welder mechanic. He's already said he'd fix this for me, so I'm gonna ride it out the rest of the year, and in the winter I'll tear it down and just do a full re-grease on the suspension and everything. Also need to replace a fork seal that's up front. It's leaking pretty good, so that'll be in the winter. I'll just tear it completely down to the frame and give him the frame too. There's another little stress fracture right there. But like I said, I've been keeping an eye on him, and I've been launching this thing off of stuff, landing hard, and it hasn't gotten any worse, so I'm not too worried about it. Like I said, I got it at a good price. It's not going to be perfect. A couple little things like the fender's been broken, so some zip ties holding it on. But you're going to drop these bikes quite a bit, especially a beginner like me. But so far, I'm just in love with it. Plenty of snappy power. The engine hour meter is reading 52 hours. I think when I got it, there was 36 or 37 on there. Should have looked at that a little closer, but I've just been wanting to ride it so much I don't even bother. So I'm gonna showcase some riding in this video. Got some really cool drone footage. I'm gonna show some of that and get a taste of what it's like to ride one of these things. It's a blast. If you get a chance, give it a try. I promise you'll probably enjoy it to the point where you want to get one if you're like me. So all right, sit back and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, leave me likes. Helps the channel. Thanks, guys.